Everything starts in the dirt. 2 seeds, 2 destinies. One grows towards the sun to heal. The other hides in the mountains to kill. The green and the white.
Green Queen.
It starts with the sativa, reaching high for the rays. The weed plant blooming in the purple haze. 5 fingers open, catching the light, producing the resin that gets you through the night. Sticky tree cones glistening like diamonds on the flower. Nature's antidepressant, the peaceful power. From the kush in the mountains to the haze in the lab. It's the only medicine that I gotta grab. She smells like pine, she smells like skunk, clearing out the mental and the physical junk. You dry it, you cure it, you roll it up tight. The green lady kisses you and makes it alright. It's the slow burn, the vibration of the earth, giving the creative mind a brand new birth. No chemical process, just water and soil, releasing the tension and the heavy toil.
Green leaf, white dust, 2 sides of the game. Both born from the ground, but they ain't the same. One brings the silence, the peace, and the sleep. The other brings the demon that's buried down deep. The weed holds you close like a lover and a friend. The coca pushes you forward to the bitter end. From the Garden of Eden to the jungle's heat, nature provides the bitter and the sweet. What?
Switch the latitude, head down to the south, where the coca plant grows with a hungry mouth. High in the Andes where the air is thin, that's where the story of the powder begins. Green leaves harvested, stripped from the branch, processed with gasoline on a hidden ranch. It ain't about the flower, it's the alkaloid inside, the chemical rush where the ego can hide. It takes a ton of leaves just to make a single brick, the ultimate hustle, the dangerous trick. It numbs the gums, it dilates the eye, making you feel like you can never die. It's the fuel for the ego, the gas for the speed, creating the hunger and the endless need. White gold chopped up on a mirror of glass, the fastest way to make the hours pass.
She's elegant, she's lethal, she costs a high price. The coca plant turns the heart into ice, 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 ice,
You mix them together, you balance the scale, the uppers and downers, the wind and the hail. One slows the time, one speeds up the clock, both of them ruling the party in the block. From the coffee shop menu to the cartel slow, these plants dictate the rules of the road.
Green leaf, white dust, 2 sides of the game. Both born from the ground, but they ain't the same. One brings the silence, the peace, and the sleep. The other brings the demon that's buried down deep. The weed holds you close like a lover and a friend. The coca pushes you forward to a bitter end. From the Garden of Eden to the jungle's heat, nature provides the bitter and the sweet. Sweet, 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 sweet.
Krina.
And the sweet, 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 and the sweet. Respect the plant, but watch the dosage. Green, white.